This is an Antec 1200, and my mission is to fit a Thermachill PA 120.3 radiator to this. And the client suggested either putting it on the top or putting it on the back externally. And I think it would be easy to put it up here, but it's not the world's most beautiful radiator. I'm still waiting for the radiator to arrive, but the radiator, you know, it could go up here with a bunch of fans, but that kind of, I don't know, it just kind of seems really ugly to me. The other option was to mount the radiator to the back of this. Now you've already got two fans to help you with your ventilation, and that almost looks like Thermachill spacing, but I think it's a little wider actually. And then you end up hanging your radiator over part of your card slots. Depending on how far your standoffs are, it may be possible to wriggle a DVI plug up in there. I don't know. Really depends on exactly where the card's going to live. Probably up top, which would mean that would probably be cumbersome to have it hanging. And then you have it sticking up. I don't like that either too much. So perhaps we'll just take a look at this. Let's see if I can get it at a good angle where you can look inside. There's a lot of room up top. The motherboard stops here where these standoffs are. So right where these slots are, from that space on up is unoccupied territory. And it's pretty wide. And I'm just wondering, I have to look at the motherboard. It's going to be an X58 motherboard, and I'm just thinking most likely the CPU is going to be right up here, water block there. But there's probably not a whole lot more stuff hanging out of there, these little backplane things. I'm just wondering if it might be possible to put the PA up in here using some standoffs. So this is wafting out some of the air. And possibly, I don't know if the guy's up for it now, the guy commissioned this work, function 13 on overclock.net. Perhaps cut this out and put hex mesh in here, black powder coat hex mesh. So now the whole top is ventilated. You can put the radiator inside, and you could preserve the stock appearance of the case and still have some really superior cooling in it. A triple radiator stealthed up inside. That might be the way to go. Well, I'm going to take this apart. I don't want to bore you. There's 24 thumb screws and a bunch of other screws and all this, and I don't want to bore you with that. So I'm going to take that out, and then we'll take a closer look at the case.